Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will walk you through how to create amazing images using Nano Banana AI. Alright, so the process is really simple. First step, head over to Google AI Studio. I will leave the link down in the description. Once you're inside, search for Nano Banana and click on it. Here you will see a text box. Just delete the sample text and paste in your own prompt. I will also share a sample prompt for you below. Then go ahead and upload an image. Select the picture you want to use and hit open. After that, simply press run. Wait a few moments while it generates the result, and there it is done. Let's open it up. Looks awesome. You can clearly see the details, textures, and the background elements. And of course, you can download the image directly to your computer. Now let's test another style, this time with a car model. Again, upload your car image, paste your prompt and hit run. In just a few seconds, the result is really nice. It's only took about 10 seconds. Let's take it out. You can see the wireframe, the render style, and even a toy like a 3D figure. Really cool results. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this a thumbs up, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next tutorial.